If write from dictation is the task where you feel I understand the sentence but I cannot type it, then you are not alone. Most students miss points for the same reasons. They try to remember the whole sentence word by word. They panic on the first few words and they don't have a clear method. So today I will show you a simple strategy for PTE Academic write from dictation task so you can capture more words, type faster and protect your score. Why this task matters in PTE Academic? Write from dictation appears 3 to 4 times in the PTE Academic listening section, and it is an integrated skill task, which means it contributes to listening and writing, not just one. And most importantly, it is a high scoring task in PTE Academic. So every correct word here helps you in both places. Scoring of write from dictation task. This task is scored with partial credit. In write from dictation, you get 1 point for each correct word spelled correctly. So the goal is not perfect sentence or nothing at all. The goal is capture as many correct words as possible with correct spelling. That's why we use a method that prioritizes accuracy and coverage. The Gurully method. I want you to think of write from dictation like this: hear, hold and build. Step 1. Hear. Focus on the core. As soon as the audio plays, don't chase every small word first. Instead, lock onto content words, nouns, verbs, key adjectives because they carry the meaning and are easier to catch. Step 2. Hold. Now the most important shift. Remember chunks, not single words. Chunking means breaking the sentence into 2 or 3 natural parts, which is much easier to hold than trying to store every word separately. And a practical trick that works with chunking: repeat the sentence in your head immediately after you hear it. It keeps the sentence alive while you start typing. So your brain is doing repeat, chunk, hold. Step 3. Build. After the audio ends, type using your chunks. Type the strong words first, then rebuild the small grammar words around them. This works perfectly with Pearson's scoring style because each correct word spelled correctly earns credit. So even partial accuracy still gives points. The final 10-second review. After typing, do one fast check. Spelling, basic grammar words, punctuations like capital letter and full stop. This final check is recommended as part of the write from dictation finishing strategy. Check spelling, grammar and punctuation. So the method is simple. Hear the content words, hold in chunks, build the sentence and fix spelling. Let's do a live example and apply this method. Go to Gurully's dashboard, click on the practice tab and then click on the listening section and find the write from dictation task and click on it. Then select any one question from here. Now click here to start and wait for the audio to play.
Please confirm that you have received the textbook.
Please confirm that you have received the textbook. Please confirm that you have received the textbook. Now full stop. Now we will give 10 seconds to review this whole sentence. We will review for spelling, grammar and punctuation. So the grammar seems correct, the spelling seems correct and the punctuation is also correct. There is one full stop at the end of the sentence. Now click submit and then click here to see the score. Okay, so as you can see that I got 10 out of 10 score. Everything was correct. So this is how the Gurully's method works. So that's it for today. If you want to apply this strategy in real exam-like way, take Gurully's free mock test and do not forget to subscribe for more PTE tips. Thank you so much for watching.